When it comes to this look, I was really here for the 90s, so we really wanted to work with her natural texture, create this really fun pile of curls on top of her head, all while utilizing rose gold accessories to try to play off of the color of her hair. So it's just really fun and flirty. So with this look, I really wanted to work with natural texture. We started with wet hair, utilizing creams and oils and diffusing the hair. We did not use any curling iron on this to utilize and enhance this texture, so this is all natural. With such a beautiful face on her, I really wanted to showcase that as well. So we pulled that hair back, utilizing a clip and some rhinestone combs, just to create that really cool girl effect.